everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am here to share my journal with you all for hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Patti over at Life with Patti. And as you can see, my book is getting really chunky. I bought this book in the beginning of the year, knowing that I was going to participate in her open collaboration, and I have enjoyed it ever since. So this week's prompt is feathers, and I had to think about this because I don't have um, anything with feathers. Like stamps. I mean, I might have like a a quill um, in one of my stamps, but I couldn't find it. um, so I found in my stash, in my Dollar Tree stash, that I found these metallic paper sticker feathers, and I was like, I love this. I think this would work. I do have a die that is a feather, but I did not use that in this on this page, I should say. So let me share my page. And it was really simple. I didn't, go too crazy. But that is my page. Doesn't it look cool? I love it. I just laid down some pattern paper that I had in my stash. I have a ton, guys. I have a ton of scraps, and this book has made me use them, and I love it. I just love it. And then all I did was the stickers had these two pop pop dots in the back of it. Took those off, and I just glued the entire feather on the page. And I really like how this turned out. And I think it's because it's metallic. It just stands out, and it's really, really pretty. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.